Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hagasngi baka Jylla karakhe kajing dap sunfly snam jong kajing yo Jylla la kajong. Menteri rangba ka Jylla ukan rat sangma hagajing don lang ki arngut ki sembut menteri rangba kata uba presiden tensong bat uba asnya bahlang dhar ki menteri Sorkar ki officer bat ki patba. Kira yo ban sakhi kajing bu ya umau nongrim nak Bynta ke Secretariat bathamai. Habakaran hakani kesngi menteri rangba ka Jylla ukan rat sangma ulaong ngidon kam ban phok sniu ban kenjo shajrong kidon shibun kibriu ki bakran halor ki kam ki baka Sorkar kale dan ki ban bu jengkeli balai on pendut pisakai bante ya ke Secretariat bathamai habaki we ki jaka ka Jylla kidon kam ya ki kam penroi hendrai lara pipet benya hakani ke program bat ki kam ki baka Sorkar ke penbena banle PUE baka Sorkar ke Trei nak Bynta ka roi ka par jong ka Jylla bat ki pat ba nong shong shnong jongka Shushu menteri rangba ulaong basibun ki projek ki baka Sorkar ka thrang ban pendap lagade ki projek hamau khanu ki surok bat ki we ka Sorkar ka le ekani nak Bynta ka jingmentoi jong ki pat ba
by Walt Disney, something that inspires me and something that I thought would be apt for an occasion and a day like this. We need to dream big. Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Kynthoh, in his speech had mentioned that he never thought that we would be standing here today, laying the foundation stone for this new Secretariat building, and seeing that video which showed the actual design. This is not a video that's been made out of AI. This is an actual design of the real building that is going to come up out here, which has taken us more than a year to actually finalize. So friends, it is an honor to be here today, to be part of this celebration of Meghalaya Day, and more importantly, setting the foundation for the future generations to come. A lot of people who always have a lot of things to say about the government, criticize sometimes, may question this new Secretariat, while so many other areas need a lot of investments to be made. But as you can see from today's program, the different flagship schemes that we have shown and we have sanctioned money for, transferred money. This government is working towards overall development of our state. The Secretariat coming here, it's not about just a building and a construction that's going to happen. It's the expansion of the city of Shillong, which I feel should have been worked and planned out a long time back. Many individuals in the past have started the process, but I strongly feel that we are now taking a major step towards actually seeing it happen. The expansion of the administrative city where we are standing right now, this is exactly the spot where the Secretariat will be. The Maupolu the knowledge city which is coming up is another city. From here, all the way to Maupulu and the 15-20 square kilometers around this area are going to become growth centers for us. So while we invest in this secretariat, while we invest in the multiple roads connecting the existing city to this new administrative city, from this administrative city to the new knowledge city, the foundation for the community, for the people, for the landowners in this area, to develop this entire 20, 25, 30 square kilometer zone into a major growth center for our state. And we expect more than 10 to 15,000 crores of investments, 5,000 crores from the government itself, and another 10,000 crores from private sector to be invested in this zone to completely transform Shillong city as we know. And that is the larger vision and the larger goal. And for that, the government must play an active and an important role. It has to act as a catalyst to ensure that we are able to take this dream of ours forward. This secretariat is not just a secretariat. This secretariat is, in a way, a symbol that we as a government and as a state and as people, we dare to dream big. This secretariat is not just a building, but it is a symbol of the aspirations that we have as a society and as a state and as a government. It is a symbol of the hope that we would like to give to the people of the state, that the future will be brighter and much bigger than what we have seen in the past. And we want to be the government to lay the foundation for that. It is the hope of the future. It is a symbol of hope and future and aspiration, and the entire desire for us to dare to dream big and to be able to achieve it. I'm very happy that apart from this program that we are having today, all of you got a glimpse of the different social sector schemes that we are doing. Today, we have distributed almost close to 63 crores that is going to benefit more than 6,000 beneficiaries in our state today. Through programs like CM Elevate, about 500 beneficiaries are benefiting. The SHGs, self-help groups, close to 700 of them are benefiting today. Close to 3,000 beneficiaries are going to benefit through Green Meghalaya, which is the PES program we mentioned. 2,000 PGs will benefit today with close to 6 crores being transferred to their accounts. Different communities who are partnering with us in terms of tourism development will be benefited, receiving close to 3 crores into their account directly. Friends, this is another testament to show that this government believes in inclusive growth. This government believes in working with our communities, with our traditional heads. Growth will be incomplete if the citizens of the state are not partners with us in the growth story that we have in our mind. The programs of CN Elevate, the PES program, focus all these programs shall continue in the future also. And I'm very hopeful that we will see a very strong transition and transformation at the grassroots level, where our farmers, our women, our youth, our entrepreneurs will grow along with the growth story of Shillong City as well as the state as a whole. We are hosting the Meghalaya Games in July this year. And based on our decision to rotate the games, July town today is looking very different. I went about 3 weeks back. Whether it's the roads, whether it's the overall footpaths, the walls, and most importantly, the smile on the faces of the people of July and Kynthoh Hills. The smile on the faces of our youth here in July this year, and next year we will once again rotate and take it to other parts. But the message in this, which is what my point here is that while the infrastructure development takes place, I think on this day, on Meghalaya Day, after close to 53 years, the sense of statehood seems to be getting lost somewhere. The vision with which our forefathers had started the fight to get our statehood, the hill state as we proudly call it, I feel along the way we have lost sight of that vision. We have lost sight of the unity that our forefathers believed in between the different tribes and communities of our state. I'm so excited to meet the people from Kynthoh Hills, experience the culture out there, share some stories of Garo Hills with them. And I think if there's any one thought that I would like to leave all of you behind with, especially on a day like this, is that at the end of the day, all these government programs, all these buildings will mean nothing if in our hearts, if in our minds, we don't believe that we are Meghalayans. I think the fact that we're having this program is meaningless. So I leave you with the thought, urging our youngsters, urging our society, our elders, the church, the different religious groups, different self-help groups, farmer groups, that we must be proud of what we have been blessed with. Challenges will always be there. Let those challenges not bring us down. Sometimes hatred will always be there. There will be individuals who may try to build up different kind of issues. I'm not saying they're not important. Yes, they are important. But I'm sure that hate is not the way to resolve it. So I leave you with this thought that let us truly believe in our hearts that we are happy and proud of the things that we are seeing, happy and proud of being blessed, not just to say a happy Meghalaya Day, but feel the happy Meghalaya Day in your hearts. And go out of this tent in this program reaffirming our commitment to our state, to our people, and to our country.
of a new structure, but symbolizes our shared vision for progress, development, and a brighter future for our beloved state. As we stand here, I am filled with a sense of pride and hope. The new Secretariat will not merely be a building, it will be a hub of governance, a symbol of transparency, efficiency, and commitment to the welfare of our citizens. This initiative represents our determination to create an environment where the people of Meghalaya will feel empowered, engaged, and involved in the decision-making process that affect our lives. The design of this new Secretariat building will reflect our rich cultural heritage while seamlessly integrating modern architecture. It will be a space that will inspire collaboration, innovation, and inclusivity. We envision it as a place where ideas will flourish, where public servants will work diligently to address the needs of the people, where citizens can access services with ease. But this project goes beyond the walls of the building that we envisage. It is part of the broader vision of the development of the state. As we lay this foundation stone, we are also laying the groundwork for a series of initiatives aimed at enhancing the quality of life for each and every resident of Meghalaya. The government is committed to building robust infrastructure, improving connectivity, and promoting sustainable practices that respect our environment.